let's talk about turning your content into profits. The best way as a beginner that you want to turn your content into profits is affiliate marketing. If you really want to see results, affiliate marketing is when you get affiliated with other companies that already have the products and services. And then when you get affiliated with them, they give you your own unique link, and all you do is promote. So you just promote their products, promote their services, and promote it through your own link. And then when you make sales or referrals through your link, you get a commission. So you don't have to create your own product. That's the hardest part. A lot of beginners struggle with getting going. So to ease some of that struggle and ease some of that pain, you want to get connected with people that already got something going. And that way, all you have to do is market. As you're marketing and you're starting to build your experience with generating sales, then you can move into creating your own products. I wonder, can y'all hear me with this microphone? Let me see the microphone right here.